It's Alexa with House Pro, and today we'll talk about 3D floor plans. Creating a 3D floor plan on House Pro offers you tons of customization. You can make the floor plan look exactly how you want to, and it's a great tool to communicate the vision of the project to your clients and team members. At the top, you'll find the toolbar. Here you can draw walls, take measurements, change from meters to feet, and then change the zoom options. Here you can undo and redo as you make changes. Click the icon to draw walls. Here you'll see red tracking lines to guide you to 90-degree angles. Dragging the wall will keep it connected to its adjacent walls. And you can use the arrows in the sidebar to designate which side of the wall to adjust and where to add or remove that length. You can also adjust the wall thickness and adjust the height by unchecking the default wall height box. Here you can see the wall area for the wall that you've selected. Click the Structures tab on the right to add things like doors and windows. Just drag them into your floor plan. You can change the size and select the finish of the door as well as the hardware, like the handle. For the finish, you can choose from various colors. From our partnership with Benjamin Moore, you also have a selection of hundreds of paint colors. In the Generic Products tab, you can search and sort through hundreds of items to add to your 3D floor plan. When you drag an item into your floor plan, it will automatically snap into place to align with walls and other items nearby. You can also change the item size and select its finish. In the Source tab, you can add items from hundreds of retailers available through the House Trade program. You can purchase these items on the House website and find reviews and more information. On the top, you'll see the viewing modes. First is the floor plan. This is a 2D mode like a blueprint. The second is the dollhouse mode. This shows you the room from a 3D perspective. In this mode, you're still able to click on items in the floor plan and see their information, such as clicking on the floor will tell you its area and perimeter, and you can change the flooring. The third mode is the walkthrough mode. This shows you the room as if you're standing in it. In all of these modes, you can navigate throughout the room. The buttons at the top allow you to take more actions, such as creating a new floor plan, duplicating this one, sharing the floor plan, and saving it. Now that you know how to create a 3D floor plan, use the Life-sized Walkthrough feature to impress clients and share your vision by immersing them into a virtual tour of the finished project with the backdrop of their home. Use this on the mobile app. Thanks for watching, everyone.